Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to complete your MBA in the list fees but with a good return of investment, then there is a one update for you guys. SRCC GBO 2024 notification is out. SRCC is the best college for graduation in India and they provide the master's program also, which is known as the PGD GBO, that is Post Graduation Diploma in Global Business Operation. So overall there are 90 seats only for this 2 years of PGD GBO program. So your entrance examination date will be 24th February 2024 and it will be from 3 pm to 5 pm. And there are different entrance test venues also like Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Coimbatore, Dehradun, Delhi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kochi, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Nagpur, Ranchi, Shillong and Varanasi. So you can attempt the entrance examination on these test venues. So if we consider the last date of application, then it will be 15 January 2024. So from 11th December 2023, the forms are out. So you can fill up the applications till 15th January. Now coming to the examination pattern, so this will be a computer based entrance examination. There will be overall 160 questions which will be the objective type questions, like 40 questions of quantitative aptitude will be over there, 40 questions of logical reasoning, 40 questions of verbal ability and reading comprehension and 40 questions will be from data interpretation. So overall the paper timing will be 2 hours and the overall marks will be 640 marks. For every one correct answer, you will be rewarded with plus 4 marks and for every wrong answer, 1 marks will be deducted. If we talk about the overall weightage, then for your written examination, there will be 75% weightage. For group discussion round, the 10% weightage will be given and for personal interview round, there will be 15% weightage. If we talk about the syllabus, then for English comprehension and language ability, there will be multiple topics like vocabulary, phrases, speech, verb, noun, pronoun and adjective. For quantitative ability, there will be topics like percentage, time and work, pie chart and profit and loss. For logical ability, there will be topics like family tree, puzzles, data arrangement and numeric grade. For data interpretation, there will be the topics like graphs, pie charts, bar graphs, clocks and calendars. If we talk about the eligibility criteria for this entrance examination, then you must have secured 50% or more marks in your graduation if you are from general category. And if you are from SC/ST category, then you must have secured 45% marks or above that in your graduation. Now coming to the documents required for SRCC GBO registration. So your scanned or digital copy photograph and signature is needed. Then scanned copy of latest OBC SC/ST category certificate if applicable, then it is needed. Then scanned copy of mark sheets of class 10th, 12th and graduation is needed and credit debit card details to pay the fees is needed. Now coming to the registration process. So first you need to visit their official website, that is srcc.edu. So click on the GBO Admission 2024 on the home page. Register by filling in the details such as name, mobile number, date of birth, email ID and gender. Then fill in the CAPTCHA and click on agree after reading the declaration. Then click on register. Candidates will receive a username and password on their registered mobile numbers and email IDs. Save that for the future use. And then you need to fill up the application form. Log in using the username and password which was generated after registration. Then fill out the application form with personal details. Fill in the academic details and communication details. Then you need to upload the documents, like you need to upload your photographs and signature to complete the application form. Along with that, you also need to upload the academic documents. Now you need to proceed with your fees payment. If you are from general and OBC categories, then your fees will be 2,500. If you are from SC/ST or EWS categories, then your fees will be 1,500 rupees. Then the fees for the 2 years of program with this college is nearly up to 3.42 lakhs. And if we talk about the placements, then according to the last year data, the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 40 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 13 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 13.48 lakhs per annum. And there are top 10% of the candidates who receive the average salary package of 23.03 lakhs per annum, and top 25% candidates who receive the average salary package of 16.92 lakhs per annum, and there are top 50% of the candidates who got the average salary package of 15.5 lakhs per annum. So here you can see, in terms of return of investment, this is one of the good option you can target with. And if we talk about the top recruiters of this college, then those are Adani, Infosys, HCL, HDFC Bank, HSBC, ICICI Bank, then Josh Talks, Jaro Education, Jindal Sales and Power, Lux, Tech Mahindra, Marico, Paytm, SBI, SBI Card, and there are so many companies are over here. So this is all about the SRCC GBO entrance examination. If you are interested, you can apply for this. If you have any doubts, any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.